My story begins when I was 12.
Jesus.
Something terrible happened that year. My mother said because of it, I would never be able to get a man. So I should get used to the idea of dedicating my life to the pursuit of knowledge or religion or whatever.
It's hormonal. Nature is a funny and complex thing. It could get worse with time.
By the time I was 20, I looked like an ape. The way that mouse looked at me, it didn't care if I had hair all over my body. I was just what I was. I felt so free. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Something about a mouse, right?